Alright, let's talk about something that's been bugging a lot of people lately. Why does ChatGPT or similar AI chatbots sometimes just freeze up when you ask them to juggle a bunch of tasks, especially when it comes to importing stock media or visual graphics? Like, you're in the zone, brainstorming a killer presentation. You ask the AI to pull together slick images, maybe a video clip, toss in music, and suddenly, everything grinds to a halt. What's going on here? Let's break it down. First off, let's clear up one thing. ChatGPT and most AI chatbots out there aren't actual browsers or media editors. They work by generating text. That's their superpower. So when you ask them to import stock photos, videos, graphics, you're asking a text-only system to do something outside its comfort zone. But I've seen demos where AI creates images or throws out video suggestions. True, but those tools are usually specialized models, like DALL-E for images or other APIs for media. ChatGPT doesn't fetch or display real graphics. It gives links, descriptions, or a code snippet you can use elsewhere. Why does it freeze when you ask for a bunch of things at once? It comes down to visual overload. Imagine you're a chef. Burger, fries, milkshake now, scale up, 10 burgers, 5 shakes, a sushi platter, and paint a mural while you cook. For AI, piling on requests that need external data or coordination with outside tools can make it trip up. Permissions and privacy are also issues. Importing stock media means accessing third-party databases, cloud drives, or web services. ChatGPT, by design, doesn't have direct internet or external file access unless a developer builds that in, so it can hit a wall and freeze. Processing power matters too. AI runs on powerful servers, but each interaction has time and memory limits. Complex requests, generate custom graphics, import stock media, handle multiple file types, can time out. So what can you do? Break up your requests. Ask for one thing at a time. Text first, then an image prompt, then a video suggestion. Use specialized tools for media. Canva, dedicated stock sites. Quick recap. ChatGPT freezes with heavy media requests because it's built for text, not visuals. Too many requests at once equals sign overload. Permissions and internet access are locked down for safety. Processing power has limits. Next time you hit that digital brick wall, you'll know why and how to work around it. Thanks for hanging out. Hit like if this helped.